Hello, good morning to everyone. Today I am going to prepare banana flour fry. Banana flour fry is a traditional and nutritious dish. Though it takes some effort to clean, it is very healthy and rich in fiber. It helps in digestion and adds variety of to our meals. This unique recipe shows how even simple natural ingredients can become delicious dishes. So, how to prepare this? First, clean banana flour and soak pieces in water to remove bitterness. Boil slightly for 5 to 7 minutes and drain. Heat oil, add mustards and cumin seeds. Add onion and green chilies. Salt well. Add banana flour pieces. Add turmeric, chili powder and salt. Cook for 8 to 10 minutes. Add grated coconut and mix. Why is it special means very healthy, rich in fiber, good for digestion, traditional and not commonly made daily. Thank you for watching. Try it.